Be able to introduce a new anti-reflective coating on the iPhone 17 Pro series displays, according to 9to5 Mac. According to sources, the new scratch-resistant display solution faced problems scaling up the production, so Apple is not considering it as a feature for the iPhone 17 Pro models. Reports claim that Apple has cancelled the plan for the new anti-reflective display. The yields are very low, considering that millions of devices that Apple need to manufacture. Even if this feature was limited only to the Pro or Pro Max units. Currently, Apple does use a fingerprint-resistant oleophobic coating, but it's not as reflective as competing phone manufacturers offer. Galaxy S24 Ultra arrived with a new Gorilla Glass Armor display panel that reduces reflection by 75%, visibly improving its performance, contrast, and bright conditions and color trueness. Reports claim that Apple has already incorporated this new Nano-texture display to reduce glare in the Max and iPad Pro. It's still unclear if this technology will be available for the iPhones or the Cupertino-based company has completely abandoned plans to implement it by 2025.